Nice.
Back again to my channel Ruangtabroni. Let's draw talking cat together. Draw an image slowly to get maximum results. Starting from line by line in certain parts. If this video is too fast, friends can pause this video for a moment, then repeat it. Draw from the easiest part first. Color the image to make it look more real. Talking cat. Draw carefully and slowly for maximum results. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this content. If you have finished, please try repeating again for maximum results. Thank you.